Hey guys, what's going on? It's AJ from Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your screen on your Garmin Fenix 6X. It's pretty simple. It's probably the easiest screen replacement that you can do. All you really need is a T5 screwdriver. We sell them on our website, joesg.com. Pretty sweet. Let's get started. So you'll look here. See, I have a little sticker on to guard this, protect this screen, but you can see the screen is back there. And if you look on here, you'll see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T5 screws holding the screen down. There's no glue, which is really awesome. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew all 5 of those. Make sure to apply some good pressure so you don't accidentally strip the screws. Doesn't need to be a ton, but just enough. Keep constant pressure on there so you don't strip them. Alright, now we got all 5 screws out. Put them to the side. They're all the same, so don't worry about getting them mixed up. They're all the same screw. So now from here, all we really have to do is lightly pull up just a little bit so you have a little gap like that. And you'll see the ribbon right there is plugged into the board. So we'll just take something to unhook it. I like to use a plastic spudger. It's not metal, so it won't damage anything, and I'll just do a little pry action on there and it'll pop off, and you're already into your Garmin watch, which is really awesome because some screen replacements can be really difficult. This is super easy. So we'll take this broken screen, put it to the side, and look, we have a brand new working screen. It's beautiful. We're just gonna go ahead and put that sucker back on. What we'll do is we'll line up this clip on the screen right here to the clip on the board. I'll try my best to show you guys on camera, but you'll line it up, and once you know you have it lined up, just apply a little bit of pressure. You'll feel it click in. See, mine's plugged in. Don't push down too hard, just enough to click it in. We're gonna check and make sure that it's working. Everything looks good. Just gonna go ahead and throw this little guy back on. Keep the screen protected. Now we're gonna just put these T5s back into the unit. Same thing as before, good amount of pressure, not too much, but just enough to make sure you don't strip the screws. We're also gonna make sure it's all lined up, everything looks good, and then we'll just screw these back in. All right, now that we got them all screwed back in, we'll just give it another check, make sure everything's working properly. Oh yeah. Good to go. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below and we'll answer them as fast as we can. If you guys don't feel comfortable doing the repair yourself, you can send it in to us on our website, joesg.com. If you need any of the tools, we've got the plastic spudger, we've got the T5 screwdriver with the Joe's logo on it on our website as well for tools. If you need the screen, we sell that on our website. Everything you need is on the website, so check out joesg.com. That's going to be everything for this video. I hope this helped you guys out. This has been AJ at Joe's Gaming Electronics. Peace out.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.